They must often change who would be constant in happiness or wisdom. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. 3 things cannot long be hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Learn as if you were not reaching your goal, and as though you were scared of missing it. Love is like a spice. It can sweeten your life, however, it can spoil it, too. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. If you try to do too much, you will not achieve anything. You can successfully force people to follow a certain course, but you cannot force them to understand it. When you see a good person, think of becoming like him. When you see someone not so good, reflect on your own weak points. A lion chased me up a tree, and I greatly enjoyed the view from the top. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, the man who does not ask is a fool for life. To be truly happy and contented, you must let go of what it means to be happy or content. Only the wisest and stupidest of men never change. If you make a mistake and do not correct it, this is called a mistake. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. What the superior man seeks is in himself, what the small man seeks is in others. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials. It is not the failure of others to appreciate your abilities that should trouble you, but rather your failure to appreciate theirs. We have 2 lives, and the second begins when we realize we only have one. The man of wisdom is never of 2 minds, the man of benevolence never worries, the man of courage is never afraid. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace. Don't complain about the snow on your neighbor's roof when your own doorstep is unclean. Without knowing the force of words, it is impossible to know more. The man who says he can, and the man who says he cannot, are both correct. The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. To know what you know, and what you do not know, that is true knowledge. Do not impose on others what you yourself do not desire. Wisdom, compassion, and courage are the 3 universally recognized moral qualities of men. Death and life have their determined appointments, riches and honors depend upon heaven. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated.